The measures, as we are learning now in this conference, is that the ministry and other NGOs, they are trying their level best to provide, for example, against lions, lion-proof crawls. That will also help. But when cattle are in the field, it's a problem. Cattle headers are not armed. So whether they see a lion and whatever, some of them are very brave. They can chase a lion, but if there are more than 2 lions, you can't. If it's one, then it's better.
He also spoke about compensation, saying it leaves much to be desired.
In the past, the ministry compensated cattle destroyed by lions or elephants. Well, elephants kill also cattle. We don't know what's really happening. So it's said 3,000 for a cow, 3,000 for a bull, but that's enough, not enough for a farmer. Today, there is no cow or a bull of 3,000. So we have to look into compensation, how farmers could be compensated. Yes.
The Chief Executive Officer of Community Conservation Fund of Namibia recommended that more stakeholders come on board to assist government address the human-wildlife conflict.
This is a national problem. We all need to work together. So unity of purpose, unity of in terms of resources, putting together resources, unity in terms of the objectives. We all need to work together. That's number one. But also number two, I think critically, the ministry currently charged with assisting communities and preserving our wildlife, which are very big in terms of our national parks. Namibia has about 40-something% of its land under conservation. The budget is not sufficient.
The CCFN is currently working on a poverty-oriented support to Community Conservation Namibia project. The project, which runs from 2020 to 2024, aims to address human-wildlife conflict.
CFN, we are actually currently in the middle of a roughly €8 million, 8 million euro project on human wildlife conflict mitigation in Namibia's rural conservancies. That money is meant to cover about 43 conservancies. We have 86, so that's roughly almost half, which means we haven't really touched much, you know. And even then, in those 43, we're probably going to cover about 20% of their identified needs.
Jirana Fuka, NBC News, Windhoek.